What's up, guys? You know who it is, your boy JP the Install Guy, hoping to make your install life a little bit easier. Today we got a 2007 Jeep Commander, and I'm gonna show you how to take this radio out and install your own. These are the type of things that you're into. Please consider subscribing, because this is what we do here: car audio tutorials, radio removals, Q&As, anything install related. That's what the channel is about. And from time I like to share my car audio knowledge, so whether you're a beginner or advanced, this channel is for you. Now, the first thing you're going to have to do is take out all of these number 5 Allen head screws. You have 4, 8, 12, and 16. We got 16 of those that we need to take out, because this whole piece is going to come out from the passenger side all the way over here to the driver's side. So you want to make sure that your steering column is down in its lowest position. That way, when we take all of these out, we're going to be able to pull everything off like that. So let's go ahead and take these out. Alright, so now that we have all of those out, should be able to come up here. Maybe let's start at the top. There we go. Alright. Really just pop the whole thing down. Set that over here on the side. And as you can see, everything just has the retention clips on the back. Now you can use a 7mm socket or a Phillips head bit. We got 2 on the left and 2 on the right to take the radio out. And now that we have all the screws out, slide that big navigation radio out like that. And we can disconnect all these harnesses on the back. It's gonna be our antenna. All right, so now that we have that factory radio out, let's get over here to our bench and get that dash kit prepped. Alright, so over here on the test bench, dash kit assembly is pretty simple. We have the dash kit. It's going to be 3 pieces, 2 side pieces, and the trim piece. If you look inside, you're going to see these 2 little holes right here. Those notches, they're not actually little, but that's where these 2 will go in. Then that just kind of snaps in kind of like that. So we're going to do that for the right side, do the other one for the left side. And it's gonna kind of sit something like that. Now what I want to do now is take our radio, slide it right down, and then we're going to take the screws that came with the radio, and we're going to put 2 screws, one at the top, one at the bottom, so we can secure it, and then we'll see what it looks like. Alright, so we have 2 screws on the right, 2 screws on the left, and this is what it looks like. Now let's go ahead and get it wired up and get it back inside the car. Alright, so we're back inside the car. We have it wired up, and I went on ahead and put the screws in. Now, if this is your first time at the channel, you're probably wondering, why didn't I actually go over the wiring for this car? Well, here at the channel, we mainly do radio removal and install videos, and I didn't want to go over the wiring every single time, because the wiring is pretty much the same every single time. As long as you guys buy that aftermarket wire harness like you're supposed to for your vehicle, that takes away about 75% of the work already, because the wire harness's job is to convert your factory wire colors to the aftermarket wire colors. That way the harness wires and the radio wires are the exact same. Now, if you don't know those wire colors, I didn't forget about you guys. I've actually made one video showing you how to wire up a CD player, where I go over connections, what each individual wire color means. I'm also in the process of making some car audio courses for you guys. You can check the status of those on jptheinstallguy.com, and I'm very excited about being able to share more of my car audio passion with you guys, whether you're a big do-it-yourselfer, maybe you've been out of car audio for a long time and you're trying to get back into it, maybe you've never been in a car audio and you want to install your own stuff, or maybe you're actually inspiring to be an installer. Those courses are going to be for you. So let me go ahead and get this big piece put back on here so we can so we can see what it looks like when it's all said and done. And that's what it looked like when it's all put together. If you guys find any type of value in the video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. I'd like to take this time to give a shout out to all the Patreons. You guys go the extra mile and support me and the channel, and that goes a long way with me. Don't forget that the car audio courses are still being made right now, so make sure you check out jptheinstallguy.com to see if those are available. Till next time, keep going, keep growing, and I hope everybody has a blessed day. All right, peace.